Before becoming a parent, I thought I'll be that perfect Pinterest mom with house smelling like baby lotion, baby sleeping peacefully, and me glowing with joy. But then reality entered with a baby who refuses to nap, and me googling, is 4 hours of sleep really enough to survive? You can read hundreds of parenting blogs, but nothing prepares you for the first few months of pure magic and utter madness of becoming first-time parent, and that tiny smile which makes it all worth it. So today, let's make it easier and discuss the must-have things every parent should know which no one tells you. So take a deep breath and let's begin. And make sure you stick till the end because there's an exciting giveaway waiting for you. Okay, so let's discuss about the first 3 months, also known as the beautiful blur, wherein you are basically running on caffeine, cuddles and chaos, and that's totally okay. But here are few newborn must-haves which will actually help you survive and even enjoy those early days. Eat, sleep, repeat is all your newborn baby needs during the initial days. Sleep isn't just rest for your baby, it's when their tiny body grows, their brain develops and their mood resets. And let's be honest, yours too. I know those Pinterest cribs look dreamy, the pillows, the stuffed toys, the cute blanket, but trust me, your baby just needs a firm mattress, snug swaddle and nothing extra. Just play or sing Lori, it works magic for most of the babies. And oh, keep your AC between 24 and 26 degrees and you will thank yourself at 2 a.m. when your baby will sleep for a longer stretch. Feeding is basically your full-time job for a while, whether it's nursing, pumping or babysitting. So keep a burp cloth, a sterilizer and a feeding pillow handy at all times. You will soon master the art of balancing a bottle, burping and scrolling the phone at the same time. Pro tip, use a dim light during night feed. It keeps the baby sleepy and you a little saner. Babies have the softest skin and the most dramatic diaper rashes if you are not careful. So stick to gentle wipes, rash cream and an unscented baby wash. And never forget to pat dry before you put on that diaper again. Rushing this step is a rookie mistake we have all made once. Let's be real, this phase isn't just about what your baby needs, it's about how you are gonna survive it. At this time, your family, partner and helper support is gold. Hiring an experienced helper like a Japa maid can guide you through tricky newborn routines. And it's okay to accept help without guilt. Let your family manage visitors and meals and let Big Basket be there for your last-minute needs so you can focus on your baby. Prep your partner to learn baby basics so that he becomes pro at 2 a.m. diaper change, bottle prep and soothing the baby so we moms can get little sleep and get recharged for the next day. Be gentle with yourself as it's just a phase and it will pass. So try to take out just 5 minutes for a cup of tea, a quick walk or a laugh with your partner or friends for that quick reset. Remember, you're not losing yourself, you're evolving into a new version and that's beautiful. Alright, welcome to the I swear my baby just grew overnight phase. Around 3 to 6 months, things start to change really quickly, so they are more alert, curious and slightly more mischievous. So here are the things which you will need handy. Babies at this stage are tiny explorers. They don't need any expensive imported toys. They just need local, simple options like play mat or soft rattles or jingles. And don't skip the tummy time as just 10 minutes a day will help to build their neck and upper body strength. You can give them toys so that they remain in this position for longer and be prepared for the next stage, which is sitting. This is the age for vaccines, vitamin drops and regular checkups, so keep these handy. A thermometer for sudden fevers and a vaccination tracker app for tracking the vaccines. Make a baby health file with vaccination receipts, growth chart, and doctor notes. Trust me, during pediatric visits, it will be a lifesaver. Tiny teeth often start appearing at this stage and drooling is real, so keep these things handy: silicone teether, bibs, and don't forget to give mild gum massages to soothe discomfort. Pro tip: keep a cotton cloth handy for quick drool cleanups. Welcome to the tiny human on a vision phase. Around 6 to 12 months, the babies start crawling and exploring. It's exciting and a little chaotic. Here is what you will actually need to survive and enjoy this stage. Your babies will now become curious and fearless, so baby proofing is the key, and for that you will need edge protector so that he doesn't get hurt by the edges around the house, and soft play mat so that the floor doesn't irritate his skin. Pro tip: crawl around your house yourself to see what your baby will explore, to spot potential hazards before they do. This is when solids really start: exciting, messy, and sometimes hilarious. So keep your baby-friendly utensils, suction cups, and high chair handy. Pro tip: introduce textures gradually. Start with mash, then move to lumpy, and then soft solids. And don't forget to record their reactions because some funny expressions are guaranteed. And of course, I only trust Big Basket for super fresh groceries. Use baby-safe floor cleaners like vinegar plus hot water or chemical-free floor cleaners. Crawlers touch everything, so safe floors is equal to peace of mind. Baby laundry: wash their clothes separately with gentle detergents and avoid harsh chemicals. And always rinse well. Soft, safe clothes makes a big difference. I hope now you're all set for this beautiful journey, and trust me, this smile will make it all worth it. So breathe and trust yourself and enjoy these little moments, because one day you will miss them more than you ever imagined. Now it's time for the giveaway question. So tell me, what did I use to baby-proof my house? Comment down your answers and get a chance to win Big Basket vouchers. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share with your fellow first-time parent for real practical parenting tips.